Howdy, howdy, howdy. Welcome to Dollhouse Dreams. Today, we've got Megan. Yeah, Megan. Ooh. See, a nice case. Open it up and we see Megan. Yeah. And there she is. Very good movie. Nice doll. Comes with a little critter. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's Megan. Hey, you want to see Megan? Come on. Yeah, there you are. Now we can do the party. Ollie. Ollie. Yeah, you like that mat. You like laying on it. I'm just using it. I'll put it back and you can run. That's Megan. She's a scary girl. She's a very scary girl. Okay, then next we've got Smarties. Mini Smarties. And these are all Smarties box. Smarties in the case. And then the little bottles. And the packages. What's going on over there? Are you up in the big tree, huh? Yeah, you're in the big tree. Oh no. I guess that's a shell. Can you put it together for me? Okay. We'll try that later. We'll try that later, okay? Let's put it over here for now. Don't knock it over. We have pieces all over the floor. Okay. Then after that, we've got the Wish doll. It's a Wish doll. Don't be eating those. Those are not real candies. Okay. I guess get her feet. Oh, real pretty doll. That's the girl from Wish. And we got tags on the back of her hair. Okay. The Wish girl. Yay! Yay! Then we've got Polly Pocket. All kinds of small. She's very small. Oh, I don't know what that is. A little sea turtle. Looks like undersea. The undersea adventure with the Polly Pocket. And it closes up to be a compact. You put all the things inside. Yay! And then next, we've got the bendable figures, RUGRATS. The one with a little Barbie doll. I remember her from RUGRATS. Yeah, she comes with a stand too. Yeah. Okay. And then for our movie recommendation, Ghostbusters Frozen Empire. Very, very good movie. I enjoyed it. Always good to see the Ghostbusters. Yeah. Well, people, that's it for Dollhouse Dreams today. We'll see you on the next one. Be sure to come back and see us. We enjoy having you here. Time to chime. Bye.